Assalamu alaikum students. The topic of our lecture is the first Mughal Empire, and all of you know that the Babur was first Mughal Empire. So let's start the introduction of Mughal Empire. Babur, that who was the Babur and what is the introduction of the Babur. So students, Babur was born in Fergana, and today the modern name of Fergana is Uzbekistan. He was the eldest son of Umar Sheikh Mirza, and Umar Sheikh was the governor of Fergana and the grandson of Taimur the Great. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi at the first battle of Panipat. In this lecture, we will also discuss the Battle of Panipat, the first Battle of Panipat in 1926. And after the Battle of Panipat, he founded the Mughal Empire. So Babur was the first Mughal Empire after the Battle of Panipat. The birthplace of the birthplace of Babur was Fergana, and he was born in 14th Feb in 1483, and the Uzbek government has declared it as the day of the national celebration because they considered Babur as a hero, as a national hero. Okay, so they consider his date of birth as a national day. So let's start the earlier life of the Babur. Babur was born on, I have told you that he was born on 14th Feb. He became the Mongol tribe that also embraced Turkish, और यानी तुर्किश भी थे और आप कह सकते हो मंगोल और तुर्किश का जो है वो मिक्सचर था. बाबर इज़ एन अरेबिक वर्ड मीनिंग द टाइगर. The nickname of to him because of his attitude shown in battle. यानी बाबर जो है वो क्यों नाम रखा गया था ज़हीरुद्दीन बाबर इज़ द फुल नेम. बाबर जो है वो शॉर्ट नेम या निक नेम क्यों रखा गया था? बिकॉज due to his attitude, due to his behavior. His name was Zahiruddin Muhammad, or you can say that Zahiruddin Babar. Yet he was commonly known as Babar. Babar is said to have been born extremely strong, physically fit. ठीक है? And at the age of 11, Babur succeeded his father Umar Sheikh Mirza. After the death of the Umar Sheikh Mirza, the governor of the Fergana, Babur became the ruler of the Fergana. We will study and we will discuss the two states, the Fergana and the Samarkand. You can see the pictures of Babur, the tiger. These all pictures are the Zahiruddin Babur. So let's discuss the time period of Babur. जो उनका time span था rule का वो बहुत कम था. He ruled only 4 years. ठीक है? Babur established his empire after defeating the Ibrahim Lodi. We will also discuss the Ibrahim Lodi and the battle of the Panipat. कि किस तरह से जो है वो बैटल ऑफ पानीपत हुई थी. ठीक है? So first of all, we have to discuss the Babur interest as a Mughal empire, as an empire. What was the interest? What was the achievements of the Zahiruddin Babur? Babur the Mongol had many interests. Now, what are the interests? He had a great interest in reading, socializing, hunting, nature, economics. He had ideas about the architecture. आप जो हैं जब किसी जगह पर जाया करें तो उनकी बिल्डिंग्स को जो है वो देखा करें. आप जो है अगर माल रोड वाली साइड पे जाएं तो वहाँ आपको बहुत सी एंशियंट बिल्डिंग्स नज़र आएंगी. ठीक है? तो उनको एक्सप्लोर करने की जो है वो एक हैबिट डेवलप करें. सेकंड थिंग क्या है? जैसे बादशाही मॉस्क है, या दूसरी मसाजिद वगैरह हैं, आप उनको जो है वो देख सकते हो कि आर्किटेक्चर आपको नज़र आएगा, ओल्ड आर्किटेक्चर नज़र आएगा. बाबर रूल्ड ओनली 4 years. His love of nature led him to create gardens of the great beauty which become an intrinsic part of the every Mughal fort, palace and state buildings during the centuries. आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारी मुग़ल एम्पायर्स की जो मेजर चीज़ हमें नज़र आती है वो क्या नज़र आती है, गार्डन्स नज़र आते हैं. नाउ व्हाट द क्वेश्चन विल बी दैट हाउ डिड द बिग बाबर केम अप पावर. बाबर जो है वो पावर में किस तरह से आए. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर बुक ताकि आपको जो है वो बुक से भी आइडिया हो जाए. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू डैट हाउ द बाबर केम इनटू पावर. ओके, He succeeded his father in ruling the small principality of फरगाना. फरगाना जो है मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, फरगाना के गवर्नर थे उमर शेख. और जब उमर शेख की डेथ हो गई तो एक रूल होता था कि जो एल्डेस्ट सन होता है उसको वो आप कह सकते हो कि सीट मिल जाती है. ठीक है, तो बाबर को जो है वो इस बिहाफ के ऊपर वो अपने फादर की सीट मिली थी. अब जो उमर शेख थे ही हैज़ एम्बिशियस टू रूल ऑन द समरकंद. ठीक है, तो ये जो आप कह सकते हो जो एम था बाबर के अंदर इनहेरिट किया गया था, उमर शेख की तरफ से अपने फादर की तरफ से इनहेरिट किया गया था कि वो एक तो फरगाना के रूलर बने. सेकंड थिंग कि वो हर वक्त अपनी आप कह सकते हो एक ही सोच में रहते थे कि उन्होंने समरकंद को भी जो है वो अपने अंडर लेकर आना है. बट ही लॉस्ट बोथ द समरकंद एंड फरकाना ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका टोटली फोकस जो था वो ज़्यादातर किधर रहता था, समरकंद की तरफ रहता था. ठीक है, एंड देन ही हैड मूव टू द साउथ वर्ड. ठीक है, वो काबुल की तरफ जो है वो मूव कर गए थे. अभी जब हम रीडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे तो हम वहाँ से देखेंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग. हु वाज बाबर. बाबर वाज born in 1483, 14th Feb. His father was Umar Sheikh Mirza, the ruler of Fergana or the governor of Fergana in Central Asia. Babar had a very good habit of writing a diary, and this diary is known as the Baburnama. So this is a few writings of the Baburnama that in the month of Ramadan 1894, in the 12th year of my age, I became ruler in the country of Fergana. My father went up above the high cliffs to see the doves. He kept there, but he fell and died. I was his eldest son. अब मुगल एम्पायर बाबर जो हैं वो अपनी इस राइटिंग में वो सारा स्केच बता रहे हैं कि किस तरह से जो है वो उमर शेख उनके फादर की डेथ हुई. ठीक है, और वो किस तरह से जो है आप कह सकते हो मुगल एम्पायर बने. When his father died, Babur set off with his men to stop Sultan Ahmad Mirza taking Fergana. Many others wanted to rule Fergana too. Babur also wrote it that Sultan Ahmad Mirza lead his army forwards. Almighty Allah has always helped me. Many of Mirza man's horses and camels fell off a bridge. The others were scared and turned back, so Mirza made peace and went away. यानी बाबर से जो है वो फरगाना को छीनना चाहते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने जो है वो अपनी आर्मी फरगाना की तरफ भेजी. लेकिन अल्लाह अलमाइटी ने जो है वो बाबर की, ज़हीरुद्दीन बाबर की हेल्प किस तरह से की. जो सुल्तान अहमद मिर्ज़ा था, ठीक है, उसके कैमल्स ब्रिज से, उसके हॉर्सेस, मैन्स और कैमल्स जो हैं वो बहुत सारे ब्रिज से गिर गए थे. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से जो बाकी पीछे आर्मी थी वो डर गई थी. ठीक है, और उन्होंने अपना रास्ता चेंज कर लिया था, या आप कह लो उन्होंने अपना इरादा बदल लिया था. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस बाबर द वॉरियर. Babur wanted to rule the Samarkand as well. This is the thing which was inherited. ठीक है, यानी ये आप कह सकते हो कि उसको अपने फादर की तरफ से इनहेरिट की गई थी, ये अपने फादर की तरफ से एक एम मिला था. It was the capital of his ancestors. Ancestors means the forefathers, the Emperor Timur. Babur captured the Samarkand when he was only 14 years old. Then he went back to Fergana. Many of his soldiers did not go with him. They wanted to stay in the Samarkand, so his army became very weak. This is the reason why the army of Babur became weak, because they don't want to go back. He went from place to place with a group of family and friends because he wanted to re-establish himself after the loss. He was looking for a place to settle and start an empire. He wrote, in the end, we went to the summer meadows. Meadows का मतलब क्या होता है, घास वगैरह. He spent some days not knowing where to go and where to stay. Our heads were in a whirl. Whirl means चक्कर आना. ठीक है. He is giving you the imagination that what happened after he lost the Samarkand and Fergana, what was the condition of Babur, that he moved here and there in search of place to stay himself. In 1501, he captured the Samarkand again, but he lost it once more than at the Battle of the Saripul. Saripul is the name of the battle. Babur never got Samarkand back, but later he was able to conquer the Kabul, which is today the part of the Afghanistan. So students, this is your today lecture. Now if you